Do you think that pricing low gives you a competitive edge? Quite the opposite. If you have low-priced courses, your students might think that your content is also cheap. Here are 3 reasons why pricing your course low is a bad idea. It makes your courses seem less valuable. Your students can consider that if the price is low, maybe the content is also cheap. You will need way more students to hit your income goal. Considering that you will have to make the same efforts to target your lower-priced courses, you will not be able to sustain your business in the long run. Low prices attract people who are less committed, and surely you don't want to face dropouts later. Instead, decide price based on value and not the fear. Once you join Uteach, you can apply different pricing strategies and sell easily. For example, you can create coupon codes, you can create tiers, memberships, etc. So you can contact support at uteach.io and I will help you to organize everything.